In today's episode, let's use bright oil pastels to bring a magical floating unicorn to life. We'll make a dreamy sky, fluffy clouds, and a beautiful unicorn. Want to color with me? Leave a comment and I'll share the printable. Let's make something amazing together.
Spin, spin, spin. Oh, it's a coloring day today. Let's see what we're going to color today. I'm so excited.
Look what I have here, a special printable of a floating unicorn on a sunny day. To color this, we'll use some beautiful oil pastels. I'm starting with blue by coloring the clouds. Use light, spiral strokes to make fluffy clouds. While coloring around the elements, go slowly and use small strokes. Don't color over other parts. And remember, always start from the top so you don't smudge your colors. Pick up your light pink and gently color the clouds in the sun. Don't forget their cute blushing cheeks. Now take a lime yellow and color the sun. Start by outlining the edges, then fill it in carefully, keeping the details neat. Let's color the sun's rays too. Now take a green and start coloring the coconut trees. Take your time and gently color each leaf of the coconut trees nice and neat. Let's add a slightly darker shade to the clouds behind the elements to make them stand out. Now color the bushes green. Use little spiral strokes to give them a fun, grainy texture. Now make the coconuts dark brown and color the tree bark with a light brown. So natural. Let's add some fresh green to the lawn around the pool. Let's make the umbrella super fun. I'm using pink, blue, yellow, green, and red to give it a bright, playful look. Let's color the umbrella rod pink, the ball bright orange. Now pick up your blue and start coloring the pool tiles on top.
Wow, the surroundings look so amazing. I can't wait to see how the unicorn turns out.
Time to color the unicorn. Let's choose our 3 best colors: pink, lilac, and yellow. These tiny parts need extra care, so take your time. First color the unicorn's hair, then the tail, and don't forget the horn. Let's keep the unicorn's body white, just like magical unicorns. Now let's color the float, which is a duck. Use orange for the beak and yellow for the whole body. Take your time. Start with the edges, then fill in the inside. Nice and neat. Use light blue for the water and color with smooth horizontal strokes. You can make the waves a little darker to add depth and make the water look more real. Let's finish the pool. Color the other side with dark blue. Now color the pool ladder gray. Ta-da! Your magical floating unicorn on a sunny day is all ready.
This looks so magical. I love my unicorn.